want to get done is something like yes, I want to मला वाटलेलंच पकड. Welcome back, friends. So we are here once again.
Good morning.
Good morning, and we are here with another video. So we are in the vicinity of Songiri Fort, which we went to the fort first, and then we came here to shoot the video. So today we are going to talk about
Needs and want.
right. So we are going to talk about needs and wants. So basically, how we differentiate between what we need and what we want. So basically, needs are something which are very much necessary in our life, which have to be fulfilled, so our life will be better. And want is something, it can be an optional thing. So basically, when you say that we need something, like I need money. Yeah, you need money. Why? Because if you have money, you can buy things, you can buy goods, you can buy groceries, you can buy so many things. Exactly. You can buy so many things because that is your necessity. In daily life, you need all those things so you can, live happily and other things. So basically what happens, and when we say what we want something. So it's like, you already have a cell phone, okay? You have a mobile with you, but still you say there's a new cell phone in the market. So I want that phone.
That particular phone.
Right. So want means you don't. I mean, it's not a necessity for you.
It's not. It may be or it may be not.
Right. So there is a difference between
Obviously.
that. Right. So once you say we have to differentiate between it. So every point of our life, there are different aspects in our life.
Correct.
Which matter to us. So there you need to differentiate between what we need, what we want. So when we say like about the money, as I told you, and it in relationships also, what you need peace of mind, you need happiness,
Yep.
you need love.
That's a basic necessity. That's the
Right.
base of a relationship.
Right. So in that also, when we say you need love in a relationship, so that is a base, and it starts from that only. It starts from I would say attraction, then it's affection, then you reach to love. And how it happens is like when you
Spend time.
spend time and you do those
Get to know
small
each
things.
other. Yeah, you do small things. Correct.
Right. And after doing all those things, then you come to know that what actually need and what you wanted. You wanted affection, you wanted so many other things like sex.
Sex.
That's a normal thing.
That's a normal thing.
But-
and most of the people are stuck between love and sex.
Yeah, right. They think like sex is love.
Yeah,
Right?
it's
Don't you
not.
think?
It's
Because some people make some fake commitments.
Yep.
When they say like, yes, I love you, but I want this first. And then they say it
Then
like,
they're gone.
yeah, then they are gone. So basically, that all those things happen, and after all that, then we realize after a point of time that maybe after you reach a certain age, then you realize what you exactly wanted and what you actually need. Right? Don't you think? Like at a particular age, like right now, at your age, you have certain dreams, right? You want to fulfill them, and you have some goals. So what you do? You differentiate them, right? So what do you think? What are the main factors according to you, right? You can keep yourself as an example, and you can say that these are the factors I can differentiate between I need these things and I want these things. So what will you say about that?
So basically, see, the differentiation about need and want starts with when you're born. Okay.
Right.
And when your parents teach you what you need and what you want, and then society tells you, it
Right.
keeps telling you directly or indirectly. So it's basically it's parents' duty, it's society's duty to tell you the difference, correct
Right.
difference. See, need can be want also. Okay.
Right.
So when I say I want food,
Right.
it's my need also because I'm
Exactly.
hungry.
Right.
Okay. I need clothes. I
Right.
want clothes.
Right.
So it's my want also and clothes also. Needs also.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. But when I say I need money to smoke cigarette, it's not my need.
Exactly.
Okay, it's my pleasure.
Right.
I would say that that's a temporary pleasure.
Right.
I need money to drink alcohol.
Right.
It's not my need.
Right.
Correct.
That is not good for you actually.
It's not
In a way.
in a way. Most of people do that
Yeah.
more often, or it's a subjective thing.
Yeah, right.
There are different aspects. We cannot judge anyone.
Yeah.
But so it's not my need, na.
Right.
I can live without it.
Yeah.
But now,
right.
like internet,
Hmm.
now internet has become a need for, not for all, but for, I guess, for us, because I work on internet,
Yes.
because it's
right.
my source of income.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, so now it has become my need.
Hmm.
Okay, and want also.
Right.
But apart from need and want,
Hmm.
apart from need and want, so we must understand कि suppose I want moon. Can I
Yeah,
get it?
that's also a
Can I
thing.
get it?
No, you can't get it.
No.
And you know, normally, like in filmy scenarios, when you see that, you know, a girl says, yes, you can do anything for me. The guy says, yes. Can you bring moon for me?
Moon and stars.
Some people say yes, but it's like unrealistic.
Obviously.
It's stupid, actually, what I feel.
Stupid. Exactly.
It's not possible.
Obviously.
Then how can you say that just for the sake of it? It's not normal. First of all, and after that, as Kunal said, like, you know, there is a difference between, like, there's a fine line between needs and wants. So like as you said, I need clothes, or maybe I want clothes. But when you say I want clothes, that means you want to explore the fashionable side of it, right? You want to explore that what kind of clothes I can wear, different colors and different things, right? But when only you need clothes, that means I need
Means
something
you
on
don't
my...
have to wear.
Exactly.
But when you have some,
Yeah.
when you have it already,
Yeah.
then again you want it.
Right.
Like
You need something to
see-
cover your body,
Yeah,
basically. So that's what
Yeah.
it means. I need clothes. And
Yeah.
when you want clothes, that means you just want to fashion, you just want to be stylish.
you want this clothes, that particular clothes from
These
this
jeans,
brand.
this shirt,
Yeah.
this t-shirt, and other things when it comes to fashion. So basically, when we say that need and want, it applies to every aspect of our life. So relationships,
Yeah.
materialistic things like
Materialistic.
money, like all those things. And other than that, if you understand what is the difference, if you can teach your kids what is the difference between that, it will help them in future.
Obviously.
Why? Because they learn from it, even they will teach their children.
Yeah.
It helps the society to understand, basically, to, you know, like how to differentiate between good and bad. You can say that also.
Exactly.
Right.
So it's the society's responsibility. Okay.
Right.
And
Personal and society, I
it's
would rather say.
personal also.
Yeah.
When we are sane, means
Yeah.
we get to know the things,
Yeah.
and it's our responsibility.
Yeah.
But when suppose means we were child, nobody told us. "Hey,
Exactly.
this is-
We
this
didn't
was
knew
this."
what is the difference.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So somebody to teach this, na.
Right.
And again, when it's our responsibility, we must find that what we need exactly, because we, most of the people, I would say we, because it happened with us also. So we keep saying that we need this, when we don't need this actually. Okay, and we are stuck in temporary pleasures.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
there are a lot of things.
Right.
uh, for example,
Yeah, you can say like many things. When we say I want to get something done,
correct.
okay, but basically what you want to get done is something like, you know, yes, I want to...
It's
मला वाटलेलंच पकड हे पकड
हे बोललं झालं. ठीक आहे. ठीक आहे.
Yep, and this is also something which happens. See those holes? They screwed it up. Still, okay. So Kunal, I think we have done most of the things. We have spoken actually what we wanted to say. So on this note, we will end this video.
No, see, I would say ki again I would say ki see why we are making this video. This is not our need, but we wanted to make this because we want to make the difference in the society.
Right.
That's why we are making these videos. But
Right.
this is not our need.
Right.
But it will become our need eventually.
Someday
Someday.
it will make a difference, and I know when there will be a point in our life when we will see these videos, and we can proudly say that we did something from our side,
Yeah.
basically to make a change, right?
Yeah.
It made a change in our life. Maybe it might make a change in someone else's life. So as Kunal said, yes, we also need this. We also want also. So what I will finally say that we have made this our line, like this is our motto in our life. So basically what we say is step up,
Step up,
speak up, contribute, strive for greatness, and leave a legacy.
Leave a legacy.
So that's how we do, that's how we roll, and we will be doing this so much many more times, and you will surely see us. So on this note, Kunal, we will say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah, and these goals also. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We will be back. Thank you.
Bloopers. Yeah, chica.